Hello guys, good morning. I'm Stefan from Crypto Traders Arena, and today we'll be watching some levels that we can scalp off. We'll be hunting some potential setups that we can take some advantage uh, and make some money. Keep in mind that everything that I take is just my position, just my trades that I'm taking. I'm doing this on a daily basis using proper risk management, 1% or 0.5% per trading idea, and hunting that 2 to 1 a day, how we put it. That being said, we can deep dive a little bit and see if we can find something on a low time frame. This morning, um, I was already making a plan. I was watching as usual, yeah, Monday high on a lot of altcoins. They are looking good, to be honest. For example, here Aave, sadly Monday high and Monday low, they are closing a little bit too late for my time frame, to put it like that. Yeah, so it was 3-4 a.m. in the morning, but we had clear setups. Yeah, we had a clear power of 3 here. I would have longed this one easily if you go 3-5 minutes. Look at this power of 3, but it is what it is. Yeah, I can't do anything if I'm missing a setup. Well, that's it. It's buzz, and we are hunting for the next one. But I saw that we have some setups forming. Okay, then okay, have some drawings here, some levels that I'm watching closely. Keep in mind that each setup that I'm taking, it's my personal idea. I'm using usually 0.5 to 1% per risk per trade. And it's up to everyone to use proper risk management and position sizing when they are trading, because it can be pretty dangerous. If you don't know what you're doing on a scalping time frame, you will burn yourself. And what we advise everyone, it's actually to start learning and then use higher amounts of money. Okay, so I have this plan made on 3-5 minutes on Bitcoin. I'm watching to get along around here. You see this left side, it's a clear S&R. And I'm looking for the price to dump around here and then take a long into the highs. Actually, it would be way better for the price to leave these equal highs now, this one and this one, and go for the lows. It will be more organic, to put it like that, because they will have the liquidity untapped and we will have a draw of liquidity. Okay. 1 second, please, guys. I'm sorry, I didn't manage to share the live on Premium on Discord. Yeah, Paul did it already. Thank you very much, Paul. Yeah, up only. Well, up only with our subscribers, with our community, because we've noticed really nice performance, to put it like that. You guys know us. We are here for 1 year and 8 months. I think we made 2 years, and it's not just 2 random years since we've been trading. There are 2 years of consistently trading. That's a total difference, because if you're asking someone how much experience do you have, well, I have 5 years of experience, but he only traded like I don't know, 1 time a week or something like that, and I have 5 years of experience. No, guys, we have 2 years of day in and day out. Well, day in and day out. Live London, live New York. We have a lot of other sessions and stuff like that. So it's a lot of weight. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to our trading ideas. So I have this plan made on Bitcoin. I said I would prefer to leave this equal high so I can have a clear target and I can take this 3.7, 3.5 R. I really like this setup at the lows. I really like this one here. And I would enjoy a dump now because I don't want to take these scalps into tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to be sidelined, I want to be clean and not touching too much the charts. That's what I want for tomorrow. Okay. Having that in mind, looking at Monday high setups, we have one on Saga, candle body high for trade location, Monday high, clear here. Actually, let me delete everything. So doing it from zero, going on a weekly time frame. You know us, we swept the previous week high. We don't count them as breakout. A breakout is when we have a candle body closing above and then price retesting. Until then, it's just a fake out. So we are not breakout traders. We are you can try actually breakout trades, but this is not something that you would like to take. Yeah. We usually like to have something like this breakout, the retest, and then go in continuation. But here, most likely, it's a fake out. That being said, I took this one. My take profit would be at value at the POC. Yeah, there we go. Some good confluences there. Where's my EMA? Actually, it's a daily one. So Saga. 1 second, 1 second. Okay. Come on, there you go. And also looking at this ascending channel, guys, looking at this ascending channel, we are exactly at resistance. So we have channel highs, Monday high sweep, previous week high sweep. I don't know. In my books, I have to take the setup. What you can do if you want to be not necessarily greedier, but you want to be a more sharpshooter like Paul, you can go on 3 minutes. You can take an M. Look at this M here. Look at this M here. So what you can do actually now is wait for an M. Yeah. And actually, I think we do have one. Yeah, we have one here. Price is already rejecting that high. But I don't want such a low stop loss because the risk to reward is very good. So what I will do, and even if I take this trend line here, I can safely play a 3.4. You can see if you want to play safe, you take a 2 to 1 from that M. Yeah, something like this. And you see here, intermediate time frame, we have some support. 2.5 R, and you give it room for the price to go lower, higher, sorry. Man, I'm sneezing, but I can't sneeze. I hate this this feeling. 1 second. So yeah, I like this setup. I've been playing it a lot lately. By using proper risk management, you can get really nice trade. What I'm doing usually it's waiting for example, if I take this trade like this, I will be looking for another sweep because market usually does like a 1, 2, 3. You have one initial sweep, which happened here. You can see this one. Then you have the second one, and you have the third one, and then you can take the third one. So the sweep of the sweep, I don't know how to call it. And we have an entry here. And you get a very good risk to your ratio. And that's why I'm okay by using 0.25, 0.3 risk. For some people, maybe it's low risk. I know some people they are using 3%, 5%. Man, 3% on a scalp, 5% on a scalp. I can do that with if I, for example, if I want to start from the beginning with a $100, I would do that. I would sit on 15 minutes and then scalp, trade on 15 minutes with a 3% maybe, because I know I'm able to uh, use proper position sizing and stuff like that. But for beginners to do that, I don't know. Okay. So yeah, you have a setup here. So we identified Saga. We made the plan for Bitcoin. Plan is made. Let me get the map divs out. So the plan is made for Bitcoin. So we have Bitcoin, we have Saga. Aave, yeah. I had alarms here. Yeah, this was such a clear setup, such a clear one, but man, I mean, we have to sleep from time to time, no? I had the alarms, they triggered, but Neiro. I don't know alarm on this one. Let's see Neiro. Ah, Neiro, look at it. Motherfucker. I like it. This one popped up last night here. And look at it now. It did exactly as I was expecting. Okay, let's look for some other setups. Yeah, XRP. Fucking shit. This one is already aiming out here at value area high. We have a M on value area high, guys. In my textbook, this is a clear setup. And we can target value area low. 5.18 R. You can do two things here. You can either lower the risk to reward ratio and take the 30 minutes M at value area high in short low zone, or wait for the equal high sweep. Wait 1 second, please. I need to post. I need to take the trade too. Man, give me 1 second. It's not easy job to do. Live trading, posting the trade ideas in the VIP in Discord, and uh, discussing, framing, and searching for them. Not easy job, I have to be honest, guys. Okay. I like this trade. I like it a lot. Okay, so XRP, and we have Bitcoin, we have our frames, we have XRP, we have Saga, and this one is pushing. Oh, that's good. Okay, let me check some other ones. Doge, yeah, I framed this one in the morning. I like the down channel, and what I like, I have a lot of equal lows here. So the price has left equal lows. You can make it risk-free at 1-to-1. It's a classic setup here. Channel lows with 60, channel highs with 61.8. I don't know. You can't go wrong with this kind of setups. They are really clean. But it takes some mm, it takes some experience to take them, frame them. I was looking at Bome. I was speaking with one VIP member yesterday about Bome, and I like it now. But what I would like more, it's like a low time frame LJ, because until then it's just a down slope. The price is just grinding lower and lower. And you see this one is resistance now. So what I would like is actually have some sort of LJ. Maybe price is going sideways, power of 3, and then I find a nice juicy W here, and we target the range highs. It can be, it can be. Okay. Until then, I will not touch it. AVAX. Well, this is worrying me. Exactly like on Bitcoin, they have lost the channel, the upward momentum. We can have a head and shoulders here if we reject this previous high. We have some demand, so on scalping level, we can lower the time frame. And if we get a retest around here, yeah, we can look for a long. Yeah. But firstly, we need a dump around here, and then bounce. Oh yeah, I saw this one in the morning. Look how clean is the setup. So Monday high sweep into FEG, and price has front run 61.8. Altcoins front running 61.8. No, in my textbook, altcoins up only tomorrow reports. Up only until tomorrow reports. Maybe. There is a high probability. There is a high probability indeed, because we can have a sell the news event. There is a pretty high probability. So on this one, I took a scalp short too. Monday high. The trade is risk-free. Put it like this, and then target into 61.8. I don't have to be right too many times to make good money on these trades. So you see here, Ethereum is reclaiming, most likely it will go for the next highs or even here channel highs. That's Solana. Yeah, Solana, quite the same stuff here. But let's check daily. Let's check 61.8. Yeah, same stuff. It was front run here. So there is a pretty high probability for the price to dump further. Lots of liquidity here below 1, 2, 3, 4 equal lows. No, I'm not reinventing the wheel or rocket science or anything like that. I just play my setups. Indeed, the price is a little bit too low to short. Don't know what you're doing, but I didn't took anything on Solana yet. But I'm taking my trades risk-free quickly. I'm making them risk-free quickly, so I can minimize the losses that I'm taking. So if you trade anything from what I take, just split the risk into the number of trades. For example, you want to take you want to take 4 trades, split them, yeah, split the number of trades into the maximum risk, and then you will have proper position size and risk management. You will have 0.25 risk per trading idea. That's what I'm doing. If you want to be safe, I advise you to do the same. If you want to gamble, up to you. I can't help you. XRP. Man, it didn't fill me. Wow. I've been front run on XRP. Fuck me. Well, it is what it is. Damn, it was such a clean one. Ah, was I a greedy goblin? And maybe we get another. Yeah. Well, I'll put again the limit order. Maybe I get a chance. Fuck me. Damn it. Don't market, guys. If you follow the trades and the coin is illiquid and a really low market cap on futures, don't market them. Just wait for everyone to get filled. I know some people might have big positions, and if you're scalping 1-3 minutes and you want it to be filled at a hair, it's real. The fact that 1 cent. So, for example, if you have a position of 10,000, 20,000, 40, $50,000, and most of us they have way more than 50,000 or 100,000 position size. Well, actually, you are moving the market a little bit by a thin hair. Yeah. This M was retested nicely. So I'm looking for this liquidity up down there. So maybe, yeah, I do have it. I still have it in the market. Omar, let me check some POC. POC value area low. Popcat looks good for a short, to be honest. Looks pretty good for a short. But I need better location. I would short around here at candle body highs, even here. Or even at the sweep of the highs. Maybe take an entry stop loss higher. Yeah, this would look like a safe one. Let's see Ethereum, because Ethereum I have 2 plans on it. Yeah, let's see. I'm looking for Ethereum to sweep these highs here and make a swing failure pattern. Though the best setup would be an LJ short if you want to short Ethereum. So maybe wait for the price to get around here and come out. Let's see. If you have questions, please let me know. Let's see Bitcoin here. I'm still interested in longing Bitcoin if I get a chance, but not up here. Definitely not up here. So WIF, any short possibility? Let's check WIF. Well, WIF has a nice potential bottom with a reclaim here. I wouldn't short it necessarily. And look at the trend line. Actually, you want to long WIF if you look at the trend line here. You need a sort of an LJ, and you can easily long WIF. I think I was speaking with PJ yesterday about this one. This is too aggressive, but it can be taken as one. I'm not sure though how strong the price will bounce from it. Being just a 5 minutes LJ, most likely you would like a 15 minutes kind of structure, because here we can reject. The price can go here and then go lower. And what it can do is actually ride the trend line until it finds a nice structure and then goes higher. You have a short setup if you necessarily want shorts, but not here. The price is on the other side of the trend line. Maybe an LJ short, but no, you see we have a trend line liquidity grab here, and then the price is going higher. I don't know. I don't see a short on WIF right now. I would look for a long opportunity here. If I want to play the range game, I would look for a retest of value area high. You see, we bounce from value area low. Yeah, we look for a retest of value area low, TP1 in POC, TP2 in value area high. Pretty easy stuff. Until I find something clear, I wouldn't be too eager to short it. It's looking really, really good. You want 3 minutes, 1 minute? Yeah, you can do something on 3 minutes. On 3 minutes, you can wait for a retest of 61.8 here. Yeah, you can wait for a retest here. Maybe sweep these equal highs and dump. Yeah. And then you TP around here aggressively, but I need to know the time frame which you want to scalp off. Well, Saga, I'm out. Let's see if we deviate here. I'm not taking anything else. Minus 0.25. This was a clear Monday high deviation for a moment, but now I see the price is pretty strong. So let's wait. I think Paul was right. Up only until tomorrow. There is a pretty high probability for that. Maybe a failed breakout of these downtrend channels. Maybe. People FOMO in here. There is a pretty high probability. So, as Paul mentioned, oftentimes, when you have fundamental news, the TA is not working that good. So, I think it's the case here. I don't want to short this one anymore. Though we see the high time frame candle didn't close, we can even have a pin bar like an aggressive one, and price do something like this and come here on the trend line. But that's really aggressive scalping. I don't know how many people are able to do that. The best thing to do is to stay out. But this being a scalping session and day trading, we have to look for some ideas here and there. We have 10 more minutes until the major time frame candle closing. So we can see some push. Uh, 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 Actually, the 4-hour candle is closing too. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. You have a fill on Doge if you wanted that one. We don't have a fill yet on XRP. So there is a probability that we'll push in this next 8 minutes. We'll push to the upside a little bit more aggressive and take liquidity and then close under. And that would have been the push to the push of the session, to put it like that. Let's see. You want to treat Saga here as a range. You don't want to bet too much on a breakout. If it's a breakout, definitely you will go on one day and maybe take a swing long or something like that. But until then, we have to play what we have and with the information that we have. See here, it's exactly at the range highs and swept the liquidity. Let's see. If you have any other questions, guys, do some TA on a higher time frame. I don't know, you have a coin that you want me to look into it. Yeah, just let me know. Curious about these two SFUs here on Ethereum. Because my thesis is that we sweep these highs and then reject quite aggressively. Let's see what we can get here. Really curious. I can easily see a retest of the POC. So we can frame a 2-to-1 until here. I just want to see clear structure until then. Let's go 5 minutes. Okay. And let's watch it closely. I want to see a spike to the upside, like an aggressive one. Until then, sidelines. So my thesis is that we push aggressively to the upside on the 4-hour close, and then we dump it. So we have like 6 more minutes. Let's see. For example, on Saga, even retesting value area high, it's a good opportunity. Let's see. I'm looking for a spike and then a swing failure. Candle body closing below. I don't know if everyone is in the live. So technically Saga should dump around here. I don't have yet a setup. I'm expecting one more sweep, and then maybe I'm looking for a deviation. And I need to wait 4 more minutes before taking any other actions. Let's see the high time frame candle close. The major time frame one. And if we are looking at how the price proceeded here, you see that retest of 61.8, 0.5 area was what the market did. Yeah, 0.5, 61.8. So having that in mind, we can either take this wave and price to dump here at daily open, or we can take the swing low, and here you can see the channel lows at 1.5, and it's already dumping. For example, here I would look for a long, to be honest. Hey, Bukur, hello. Come on, Eat, you have 3 more minutes. Do something. Do something. 3 more minutes. We got a fill on XRP on the big M. Yeah, if you take the swing low and the swing high, that's an LJ. That's an LJ in the short reload zone. But what it bothers me is these highs, these 2 highs. Come on, let's see. Yeah, XRP field, it's a short LJ, and looking here is the previous high and the value area high. Yeah. The price now it's retesting the value area high. Okay, we have 2 more minutes. The price should do something around here. Looking at the 4-hour candles, this one is not bearish, not bullish, so we can get a retest of this area and be risk-free easily. So I'm still looking for that dump on XRP. Yeah, it's a clear. Here at the equal lows, I will take TP1 so I can be risk-free, and then I will trail the rest. These setups you can learn by joining Capua One. PJ is the best person to learn from this kind of principles. 1 more minute. Let's see. We should have some spike in volatility in the next 5 minutes. But man, if it leaves, if it's leaving this equal highs, but I don't think so. I don't think it leaves the equal highs. We can pump him even further. Let's see. Ooh, Saga. Saga is in good profits. Oh, not Saga, sorry. Which one is it? Ah, Xeku. This one. 1 more minute, and there we go. Let's see. What price can do now, it's actually, we have the 4-hour high. Yeah, it's a pretty strong close, to be honest, here. Nice W confirmed here on, no, it's not. We swept these lows. We have a 1-hour W. Line chart is a W, but you see this low, this one should have been the lower low, not this one. But what can price do now? It's actually take the equal highs here and then dump because we close the 4-hour candle. Let's see. And then for a take profit, POC would be a good area. Around here. You see, it's the retest of this big M, big W on 1 hour. And here to short. Let's see. But maybe Paul is right and we don't have a proper environment and it's just an up only without proper TA principles behind. But here I'm looking for a quick scalp. It's not something high time frame. I'm looking for this. And then maybe I'll look for longs here. And here for longs. Let's see. Just let me know if you have questions. And I want to repeat that I'm using 0.25 risk per trading idea. I don't want to hear people losing, I don't know, 10% of the account or anything like that because they followed this and that. That should not be allowed. You should not be allowed to do that. Okay, let's see. I saw some. I'm mentioning this because I saw it's a trend right now in on Twitter with a lot of people. Come on, with a lot of challenges like $10 to 100,000 and stuff like that. And man, I don't know. Some of them they are risking. Um, I saw a person lost 40% of the account in 1 day or 2 days. 2 days it was. Yeah, but it lost like 40% of the account. That should not be allowed. When you are scalping, when you are trading, it's not allowed to have something like that. because you need to have a plan where it says, okay, I'm allowed to maximum lose 3% per day, 2% per day, something like that. That's proper risk management. If you hear someone that he lost like 40% of the account in 1-2 days, and leave trading, do something else. Just leave trading and do something else, because trading is not for you if you're doing that. You should be definitely doing something else than trading. Okay, now I'm curious about Ethereum. If we dump or if we pump here. I'm looking for a deviation. Until then, I just let it alone. Close at 5 minutes. We closed it pretty high, to be honest. But we can still have the deviation. So if we are closing 5 minutes below and we have a nice M, I would take the M. Until then, no. There you go. It's trying to deviate back. It's trying to deviate back. Let's see if we get a reclaim here. Let's see what Bitcoin did on this. There you go. Actually, it triggered the shorts. Yeah, I'm taking this one. I'm short Bitcoin. I'm short Bitcoin, guys. I'm really sorry, but this is really fast. I don't know how to update, and I need to update the stop losses too on my positions. Stuff like that. It's really difficult. I'm sorry. So I repeat, I'm short. I'll TP here at the equal lows in the 61.8. Well, look at Ethereum, it's closing below. And look at Saga. Saga is doing exactly what we expected on 1 hour here. You know how I like to play them? It's actually take TP1 at 1 to 1 and then um, leave the stop loss at the original position. Yeah, I took it. I posted on VIP Booker. And I think you're on VIP. Yeah, you are. We can still get a retest of that position, as you can see here. So you maybe still have the time to get in, hop in. Yeah. I don't know. I'm playing clear setups. I'm making plans. The guys from VIP, they know how I trade. I'm making plans and then I'm just trading the plan. That's what I learned, how I learned to trade from PJ, and it's been insanely profitable for me. Just trade your plan, create a plan, and then respect it. Yeah. Because I think anyone can make a random plan. But the most difficult part is how do you respect the plan? What are you doing in order for the plan to be successful? And there you go, you have another entry here. I'm putting the stop loss a little bit higher, 9332, because we can have one more SFU. I want to be safe. Now I can't do anything. Yeah, was posted, I don't know, 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago. Yeah, I'm keeping it low risk today, 0.25. If I make a 4.26, that's 1% profit, so it's okay for me. So right now, if the price is bearish, we should retest 61.8 and reject this area. We are tapping right now into it because we have a bearish market structure shift on 1 minute. And we have the retest of previous high here. So price should deviate under the previous high. Something like this. Take it as resistance and then dump. Technically, this is what should happen with a pretty high probability. Practically, we cannot influence how the market is. Well, it's not doing well, but it's still alive. It's grinding higher and higher and higher. That's one. But it's still alive. Live and kicking. Maybe if I see that M confirming on 1 minute, I will maybe add to my position and lower the risk. Yeah, so what I'll do is actually get my risk stop loss lower and then add to the winning position. But that's another story. It's respecting the plan for the moment. Rejecting 61.8 as planned. Let's see further. What I usually like to do on this kind of trades is put the stop loss a bit higher. Enter with an initial risk. I don't know, 0.25, 0.5, something like that. And then if I get my triggers, like if I see that the market is turning more bearish, yeah, we have the bearish market structure shifts and stuff like that, M's, I can add to my winning position, but adding to the winning position, it's very risky and difficult because you can end up mismanaging the trade and then having a too high position size and then maybe getting stopped out too early. There are so many things that bad things that can happen when you're doing that. And we're trying to confirm an M. We have a nice rejection candle here, nice pin bar. Most likely price will go lower, confirm the M, bigger M, and then lower and lower. Let's see. At least it's following the plan. There we go. Well, I really don't care if it's take profit or stop loss. Someone asked me. I really don't care. Yeah, I'm at the third one, exactly. And you may say, oh, this dude is, I don't know, retarded or crazy. He doesn't care if he takes a stop loss. Well, you should check in and learn why I don't care if it's a stop loss or a take profit. because I care about 100 trades. I don't care about one trade or two trades. If I take this setup on a series of 100, will I be profitable? Well, you can check in, join Discord, and you'll see that damn profitable, pretty damn profitable. It's pretty damn profitable, but there are so many ways that you can fuck it up and stupid mistakes, from position sizing, risk management, fucking around with the stop loss, moving the stop loss. There are so many ways in which you can break a good trade and then uh, not being able to generate profits. Saga, I was thinking about that, is trying to do another sweep of the highs here, pretty high probability one, and maybe that's when I will trigger a short. Until then, let it cool off a little bit. It can grind way higher. XRP, it's in profits. I saw that M, it's working pretty okay-ish. LJ short, 15 minutes time frame. Ah, no, you can't get it cleaner than this. 30 minutes actually. And value area high, rejecting value area high. M in the short reload zone with sweep of the highs with LJ. It can fail. I mean, any setup can fail. Absolutely any setup can fail. I'm not saying go all in. No, I didn't. I just risked proper size and let it stop loss or let it take profit. I don't care for the outcome. We are almost 1 hour and something actually past. I played all my setup, so I have uh, I have the maximum risk allowed, to put it like that. I cannot take two more trades than the ones that I took. More positions, yeah. Up to you if you want to trade some, if you want to take some ideas. Plenty of them were discussed in this live. Plenty of them. You have Bitcoin, XRP, Saga potential short here at the highs maybe. I don't know. You can even put a value area high. You can even put a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio until here. Just go classic way here, take profit and put a 2-to-1 with a large stop loss. This one can be a win. Doge, you see, well, look at the dancing dog here. I'm short on Doge. Uh, nothing. This short on 1000X XEC. God knows the name. So there are some ideas. Up to you if you want to take them. There is a probability for them not to work because we have news incoming tomorrow and the market might pump into the news. So when you have major news like that, there is a probability that setups will not work accordingly to the plan. And why is that? Because we might get manipulation and the market pump into the news. And only after that, maybe um, we can get a dump. But as we mentioned, oftentimes pump before the news, I don't know if that's a good idea. Solana lovers, let's see Solana. I don't know. Calling a breakout here, but I don't know if it's a breakout. I have nothing. I don't know, oh, man. Solana lovers. I don't know too many things. I'm just trading my stupid setups. Anything else than that? Oh, it was a nice dump on Bonk. Anything else than that, it's not in my plan. And look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Well, I don't know. I think we can call it a trading session. It's been pretty okay. Profitable, I don't know yet. We'll see um, at the New York session if it was a profitable trading session or not. But there are some ideas. I took some trading ideas. Now it's up to everybody how he is managing the trades. Yeah. More than that, we cannot do. I'm just here day in, day out looking for trades, scalping, trading with VIP, with Paul, with Premium. If you want to be part of our community, you can join us and day trade with us. If you want to learn how to trade and how to treat market like a professional trader, like a business, and not like a moon boy, because Twitter is full and this environment is full of moon boys. The last thing that you want to turn into it's a moon boy. So I think everyone wants to turn into professional trading and learn how to use proper risk management, how to execute day in, day out setups. I think that's what you want to do, yeah? To generate those 1, 2%, 3, 4% per week. Stay relaxed. I think everyone wants that, no? Well, this is the place where you can do that, where you can leverage learning. We have Capua 1, which it's taking you from beginner level to a swing trader, and then we have Capua 2, Capua 2, which is quite difficult because you have to know you have to know your stuff. You have to know something about trading, something about position sizing. How do we trade? Why do we take a position like that, and so on. Yeah, you have to know a thing or two about trading because I I don't have the time um, in that program to teach you how to use TradingView. Yeah, or stuff like that. So that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next trading session. Hop up on Discord and let's make some money if you want, or you can jump up at the New York session today. I'm pretty sure Paul will make it free for everyone. So at the New York, just hop up on our Discord and I think you can join and trade with us in the New York session. So that being said, see you guys on the next live. Bye bye.